guys, what is up? Welcome to my channel, The Survival Kid. And if you would, please subscribe and drop a like. Now today I'm going to be showing you guys how to go spearfishing and how to make your own spearfishing spear. Now without further ado, let's hop into it. So you guys can go to a wooded part of your house and find some sticks. Like this one, this would be too small. So after some searching, I found this stick, which is pretty long, so I'm gonna cut it up with my knife. And guys, remember that always have a parent supervise you while you're cutting. So the first option is a long stick or the short stick. So guys, you can either make a spear, but for me, this is really hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a zip tie, or you can use rope. I'm gonna tie my knife point to my stick. So the finished product looks like this. It's really sturdy and I can't move it, so that's what you wanna be looking for. So now that you're done with your spear, I would recommend standing on something like a dock or the ground and waiting for a fish or movement to come under you or near you so you can pounce off and jump on it. But I wouldn't recommend this for this dock because it's a pretty far jump and I don't want to accidentally stab myself with my knife. So I'm gonna get in the water and be very silent and look for some fish. So guys, I see a bunch of fish and I'm gonna take my spear and go try to catch them. I didn't find any fish, but guys, I found a shotgun shell. Well guys, that about concludes my video. Thank you for watching. And I'm sorry I couldn't catch any fish. Hopefully you guys will have better luck. And guess what? If you hit that subscribe button, maybe you will.